Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra are both high-end tablets. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra has received positive reviews for its high-performance capabilities, particularly for creative professionals. It supports a 14.6-inch AMOLED screen with excellent colors, sharpness, and a new anti-reflective coating that minimizes glare. The processor provides significant boost in CPU and GPU performance, especially for gaming. The software experience includes AI-enhanced features like image editing and generative tools. They are good for scanning document and video calls, but they cannot take high-quality photos like comparably priced smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra has generated significant attention due to its massive 14.6-inch OLED display, premium features, and top-tier performance. The S Pen integration enhances productivity, especially for note-taking and drawing. Reviews praise its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which ensures smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. The tablet's premium built-in ultra-thin but sturdy, featuring IP68 water and dust resistance. Some find it too large for casual use, and its high price point may not be justifiable for all users. In my opinion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is generally an upgrade over the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, with improvements in performance, display, and battery life. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.